Alright, this is how you do the Hubsan H501S height restriction removal. Open up, click on this, go to the, where did you go? Mod tool updated. Go on the Hubsan tool, and then click the bottom one, 11917EXE. Once you get here, you go up to the center here, and you click on that. And then I already calibrated the drone. It is plugged in with the USB, which is an Android charger basically. Plug it into your laptop on the side. And wait for it to say connected. It says connected. What you want to do is hit restart. Once you are in restart, you unplug from the USB and then unplug your battery, which I'm going to do, so hold on. Okay, the battery is unplugged. What you want to do now is plug the battery back in. Wait for it to boot up. You do not need to calibrate it at this process. The first time, definitely calibrate it before you plug it into the computer. Okay, once we're at this point, we plug it back in. And now, once this is loaded, wait for everything at the bottom there to load up, right here. And then you should hit Get Parameters. And you go into the altitude, which is right here. Mine is at 0 already. It'll say 250 on yours. You go ahead and zero that out. Put 0. You go down to the flash and click on flash. At that point, your height restriction is removed. And that is all you have to do.